Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix calculator is missing in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait for the best match to appear. And once it's here, click on open to continue. Okay, so here at the settings, you need to look for system next to home. Click on it at the left side of your screen. You can see it there. And then here, you need to scroll down and look for troubleshoot. So the moment you have clicked on troubleshoot, you would be able to see three options. Proceed to the third, which contains other troubleshooters. And here, you need to look for Windows Store apps. Again, look for Windows Store apps. And if you just have to click on run there. Okay, so in my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, just have to click on run option and then it will run the troubleshooters for you for Windows Store apps and it will fix the problem. Just have to complete the process and be patient on doing such. And once you're done, just have to restart your computer and it will be fixed. Okay? So the second step that I could show you is here at the desktop screen. You need to do a right click, okay, and then go with new and then go with shortcut. So here in the create a shortcut, just have to type this. Okay, it is C colon backward slash Windows backward slash system 32 backward slash calc dot exe. Then type it here. Okay, and then click on next and name this shortcut into calculator. Then click on finished. So there you go. You have just created a shortcut full calculator. You can use this for alternative of calculator here in your Windows or computer. I mean, you can use this as alternative for calculator. Okay, so that's it. Check if, I mean, try to use this. You can use this in your desktop or Windows. Okay, so the third step that I could show you is here at the bottom search bar. You need to type for PowerShell. The moment you've typed it, the best match will appear. Go with Run as administrator, and your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window. Here, you need to type this command. Follow this command, which is get dash app times packaged space Microsoft dot Windows calculator space removed app x packaged. So click on enter and it will remove the calculator for you. Okay? So you just have to wait until it will be done and until the calculator is being removed. And once you're done, close this window and you need to go with Google Chrome. So here at the Chrome, use this search bar and type for Windows calculator download. Then click on enter once you have typed it. And there you would be able to see all the results about Windows Calculator. You need to proceed to the most reliable and trusted website, which is the Microsoft.com. Go with this. What Windows Calculator free download and install on Windows. Okay. And here you will be able to see a Windows Calculator application. Just have to click on this download. Okay. And once you have click on it, it will start on downloading for your Windows or computer. You just have to wait until it will be done. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.